Hello everyone, my name is Tom. I'm 8 years old. I'm grade 3. Today I will talk about Monster University. Monster University is a comedy film by Pixar, and now you can watch it on DVD. The character in Monster University are funny monster. He live in the monster world. One day, he visits a company called Monster Inc. Lots of monsters work there. The monster visit the human world at night, and they scare and they use the children's scream to make energy. Mike wants to be scary monster when he grows up. When Mike is teenager, he goes Monster University to learn how to be scary. He meets Sully, but they are not friends at first. Sully is very good at scary people, but Mike is not very scary at all. One day, Mike and Sully go to the human world and they can get back. They work together and finally go home to the monster world. Now Mike, Sully, and Sully are friends. They are great job at the Monster Inns. That's Monster University. Very funny and the actor voice of brilliant. There are lots of poor in the film. I love the small Monster University. Goodbye everyone.